Hosta Pilgrim, a gardener's guide by Ferb Vu. For those seeking a shade-loving beauty to grace their gardens, look no further than the Hosta Pilgrim. This captivating perennial boasts a unique charm, offering a delightful combination of foliage and delicate blooms. Over the years, I've fielded many questions about this remarkable plant. Here, I'll address some of the most common inquiries to help you cultivate a thriving Hosta Pilgrim in your own outdoor haven. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What is a Hosta Pilgrim? The Hosta Pilgrim, a product of plant breeder George Rasmussen's expertise, is a vigorous grower prized for its stunning variegated leaves. Its heart-shaped foliage emerges a light green in spring, gradually transforming into a mesmerizing display. The star of the show is the broad, creamy white border that adorns the leaf margins, creating a striking contrast against the darker green center. As the season progresses, the yellow tones in the border soften to a cool, creamy white, adding a touch of elegance to any shady corner. How big does a Hosta Pilgrim get? At maturity, the Hosta Pilgrim forms a compact mound, typically reaching a height of 8 to 12 inches with a spread of up to 24 inches. This manageable size makes it a versatile choice for various garden settings. It can be planted as a standalone specimen, used to create borders, or incorporated into container arrangements for patios or balconies. How does the Hosta Pilgrim compare to other hostas? The Hosta world is a diverse one, offering a vast array of sizes, colors, and textures. Here's a quick comparison of the Hosta Pilgrim to two other popular varieties. Hosta Francie. This showstopper boasts even larger leaves than the Pilgrim, reaching up to 18 inches in width. Its foliage displays a similar heart-shaped form, but features a bolder contrast with a bright white margin against a deep blue-green center. However, the Francie is slower growing than the Pilgrim. Hosta Gold Standard. This sun-tolerant hosta offers a vibrant alternative for gardeners with dappled shade areas. Its chartreuse gold foliage forms a dense clump, adding a burst of sunshine to shady spots. Unlike the Pilgrim in France, the Gold Standard doesn't have fragrant flowers. How to plant and care for your Hosta Pilgrim. The Hosta Pilgrim thrives in shaded locations with moist, well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Amending your planting bed with compost or aged manure before introducing your hosta will provide the ideal foundation for healthy growth. Here's a quick guide to planting and caring for your Hosta Pilgrim. Planting. Choose a location that receives morning sun and afternoon shade. Ideally, plant your hosta in the spring or fall when soil temperatures are cooler. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball and gently amend the surrounding soil with compost. Water thoroughly after planting. Watering. Keep your Hosta Pilgrim consistently moist, especially during the first growing season. Water deeply at the base of the plant, allowing the excess to drain freely. Avoid overhead watering, which can promote fungal diseases. Fertilizing. A balanced fertilizer applied in early spring can give your Hosta Pilgrim a boost. However, this is not strictly necessary if your soil is rich in organic matter. Mulching. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch around your Hosta Pilgrim to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Common issues and solutions. While relatively low maintenance, Hosta Pilgrims can face a few challenges. Slugs and snails. These slimy pests can munch on your hosta's leaves. Hand-picking them off or using organic slug and snail control methods can help. Hosta wilt. This fungal disease can cause leaves to turn yellow and wilt. Proper watering practices and avoiding overhead watering can help prevent its spread. Conclusion. The Hosta Pilgrim is a captivating addition to any shade garden. Its compact size, stunning variegated foliage, and delicate blooms offer long-lasting beauty throughout the season. With its minimal care requirements, this versatile perennial is a perfect choice for both novice and experienced gardeners alike. So, if you're seeking a shade-loving gem to enhance your outdoor space, consider welcoming the Hosta Pilgrim into your garden.